right. And there she is. Well, great morning.
Great morning to you. How are you?
Yes, another day. I'm blessed and prosperous. It is another thankful Thursday. How are you feeling this morning?
Fantastic on top and rising.
Yes, absolutely. This is day 27.
Yes, it
Exciting
is.
times. Yes, indeed. The halvening was a couple days ago, and Bitcoin is on her way again. I've been watching it. It's just amazing. Just great morning, Bitcoin Brandon. Salute to you, my brother, and congrats to you and the Queen. I watched I didn't watch it live, but I was scrolling through and I happened to see it and I said, oh, wow, that was really amazing. I love the little blue edition and all that. So definitely salute to you, King and Queen. Congrats on your new edition. Many Bitcoin blessings to your baby boy.
Yes, we're so
Absolutely.
excited for you.
Yes. That's what it's about. That's what's so exciting. Especially coach, when we do this growth calculator, when we show that 3 years, 5 years, like that's powerful. So
Well,
salute.
why don't you show that? Let's start off by showing a little bit of the growth calculator,
Ah,
and then we'll get into
okay.
the presentation.
Okay. All right. We're gonna remix it a little bit. All right.
Yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you're in for a treat. We're gonna go ahead and show this growth calculator. Absolutely. So,
So while you're
greetings.
setting it up, yes.
Yes, absolutely. You can go ahead and get us warmed up.
Awesome, awesome stuff, you guys. Good morning. Good morning. My name is Christina Johnson, affectionately known as Coach CJ. I'm so elated and excited to be here this morning. Hello to everyone who's logging on, to all our new investors. We're at 630 this morning. So we are so
Woo!
super excited. Marvin
Let's
and I
get
are
to 700 by
I'm
weekend.
telling you.
Let's free some people. Come on, let's get
Let's
it. All right.
let's get it. Let's get after it. Absolutely. So we are so elated and excited, if you can't already tell, to share this free opportunity. It's an investment opportunity with the masses. Our goal is to free 2020 families in this year of 2020. We are well on our way. We have new investors, new families that are being impacted almost every 10 minutes or so. I just watch those numbers increase.
Yeah.
Our investors are out there sharing this amazing platform with everyone they run into. We have, like, Brandon is on the line now, on the chat now, and he just walks in like, look, you doing this, you've got to do this, you don't have an option. So we are just so excited this morning. I'm the creator and founder of New Destiny Wealth Builders, where we are committed to creating sustainable wealth for everyday people. And Marvin says it so well that this platform has leveled the playing field. So we want to show you how you can seize this opportunity. There are no barriers, there's no hindrances. All it will take is you having the mindset to go on and pull the trigger. Go on and get it done. So thank you so much, Marvin. I'm going to pass it on to you, and we're going to get this party started, as you say.
Yes, indeed. Let's get this party started quickly. Right. All right. So I'm excited. Thank you
Yes.
so much, Queen. Salute to all of our investors. Good morning, investors. I see them logging in and they're tagging people, and I love it. I love it. I love it. Coach just announced with 630, I think she said. And
Yes.
I know, what does that mean? What does that mean? What's 30 minus 100? Is that my lucky number seven again?
Yeah.
So in the next
70 days.
what is today? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 72 hours. I
Yep.
believe we're going to cross that threshold. So come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on. You got me wide awake now. All right. I woke up a little bit late and you got me wide awake now. So before I even go into the back office, you got me excited. You know, I love these numbers, right? So we have our investors on the line. I'm sure we have some people on the line. It's like, what is this guy with these long trades talking about, right? I don't know, but I want part of it, right? Well, you can get it now, right? You can get it now. There's no barriers. This is not even the 99 program. Look, there's some 99 programs out there. They getting fired, but this is free 99. Right? This is free 99. This ain't no one-time 99. This is no time 99. Right? So that's why I'm excited. It's no time 99. Right? So big up those big up those $99 programs and all that good stuff. This is a free platform. This is why I'm so excited. Right? Look at my brother. Look the hardest working man in the business. Salute. Right? Kev says he's trying to invest. So, Kev, I'm gonna give you a shout, bro. As soon as this is over, we're so excited. We're breaking the internet. We're giving this blessing away free. Guys, we've been in the trenches. No, this is real talk. We've been in the trenches how many days? 27 days.
27 days.
Call it a 30-day fast, a 30-day breakthrough, whatever. Right? We've been on the grind for 30 days. I was just looking at myself doing the live. I'm like, man, this is for real. When I say in quarantine, living the dream, just look at me. I'm in quarantine. I need to get my locks done. My face is all over the place. My beard is all over the place. It doesn't matter. My Bitcoin is out there slaving. My money is out there slaving. And I've read something on Facebook talking about opening up. Opening up where?
Opening what up?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. I'm on quarantine like this. I'm chilling. I ain't going nowhere.
Oh, yeah. The cities. Yeah, exactly. I'm not
going where? Open up who? Okay. When they open up the golf course, that's when they need to invite me. Right? So anyway. All right, so let's get back on track, right? Because it's 11:11. We're about to get this profit party started. I've never had so much fun. This is powerful. Coach, you know what I did last night about 3 a.m? I took a peek and I tried to calculate my earnings that will be coming up because, we get that nice binary that, you know what I mean? Right. And it's crazy. Like, I can kind of guesstimate what it'll be, but it just keeps increasing. Like, I've never seen anything like this before. Forgive me, y'all.
Daily compounding is the eighth wonder of the world.
I've never seen anything like this before in my life.
Yes.
Like, quarantine has been, wow. Okay, let me get back on track. All right. Yes, look, Bitcoin is going. She's going. And it's crazy because I go on YouTube and I hear all these investors saying the same thing that I've been saying. Everybody knows, what do I say? Bitcoin is going to be what next year?
100 grand.
Right? I've said it over and over and over and over and over. And it seems like every day I go on YouTube or I'm hearing some other person, like all of them are agreeing with me. Like we're all saying the same things. Bitcoin is going to be 100 grand minimum. And if you do your due diligence, no one's selling Bitcoin right now. So if you're trying to take out your little profits or whatever, or you get scared when it goes down, look, let me tell you the truth. I'm the financial minister. I ain't gonna lie to you, right? They want you to sell your Bitcoin. Why? Because they want to buy it. Exactly. They know that it's only limited. It's scarce. It's an asset. The only asset that outproduces gold and real estate. Pay attention. This ain't rocket science. Get as much as you can, as fast as you can. All right. And now I'm about to show you How?
Let me
Now I'm
get the
about
link.
to show you how.
Grow, earn, compound. Grow, earn, compound.
All right. So I need to know everyone can see
There it
this compound calculator because numbers don't lie. Let's show you guys the numbers. Let's show you guys why we're so excited, why we've been living the dream during quarantine, right? We ain't going nowhere. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
All right. I need someone in the chat to type in a number. I don't care what the number is. Type in a number and I'm going to show you the power of how to have your money working for you. Why we're so excited. Anybody, just drop a number in the chat. Got to be at least 3 digits, though. Somebody drop a number yet?
$1,000. Sean Cash.
Sean Cash, my boy Cash, Pip City.
Kevin May said 100 grand. Oh, we
Look,
got
Kevin, you got too much money, man. You got that salon money, right? All right, so 100 grand. We're gonna show. All right, we're gonna show my boy Kevin 100 grand. But first, let's show Sean the power of. All right, let's see. We got 200. We got 1,000. We got 500.
400
400. We got so many numbers.
different
100
numbers.
grand. All
Yeah.
right. So I'm gonna show. How about we pick 2 examples out of there? Which 2 should I show? Should I show the 100 grand? Bitcoin is at 97. Just look at this.
That's crazy.
Oh, and if y'all investing in stocks, I'm gonna pray for you. All right. Okay, let's go. All right, so we're gonna start with which number? Give me. We got too many numbers here. How about 1,000? I like that number.
Yep.
We'll
Let's
do
do it.
1,000. All right, excellent. And then for Brandon's boy Matt 500, you can kind of just get an idea and just lower that number. It's going to be all powerful. Awesome. All right, so $1,000. $1,000 in Bitcoin right now is 0.10. All right. So I'm going to show you guys the power of having your money work. How about 6 months, 12 months, 3 years, and 5 years? What do you
Awesome.
think, Coach? Good numbers?
Yep. I
Yeah,
think
so we could show short term and long term. Is 5 years even long term? It's like midterm. That's college, right? Okay, so anyway, I'm going to show you guys your worst case scenario. You guys just heard me and Coach talk about, I've been preaching. You guys can look on all of, look on our Facebook or YouTube. For months, I've been saying Bitcoin in 2021 is going to be 100 grand. Okay, maybe 135 for real, right? But I like to just say in 2021 it's going to be 100 grand. This same Bitcoin, yes, that is playing around at 90 something thousand, 9,000 something dollars. All right. So if you invested $1,000, right, this is what's so powerful because we're about to show you how to become your own bank, how to profit today and every single day. All right. Now, the power of Bitcoin. Forget 100 grand. Let's say Bitcoin stays the same. I'm going to show you the power of Bitcoin, right? And compound interest because compounding is the 8th wonder of the world. Albert Einstein, he basically said that. Right now, you're listening to not Albert Einstein, you're listening to Marvin Tackett, the financial minister. And I'm here to tell you Bitcoin is the 9th wonder of the world. And I'm going to show you what's going to happen when you marry the 2 together. Okay. I'm going to show you a very, very conservative, modest, super modest result. Okay. Just at 0.5%. All right. In the US, all right, in 6 months, I already know the numbers. Your $1,000 should automatically almost double. All right. And look at that. That $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, if you cash out 6 months from now, would be about $1,800, almost $1,900. Really impressive. Why? Because that $1,000 you got sitting lazy in a bank account, right, is collecting dust. How do I know it's collecting dust? Because if you're listening to the sound of my voice, we all got bank accounts. So we all know that the savings account will barely pay you 0.02 to 0.07 a year. And I'm going to show you in the next couple of minutes prove that we've been receiving, oh my goodness, the numbers are too astronomical, 10 to 12% a month on average, okay, for the past 11 months straight. Hold on, 12 months. 12 months, I already know. I hope you guys are paying attention to these numbers. 12 months, your investment almost quadruples. You started off with $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, 0.10. Now you have almost approaching half a Bitcoin a year later. Again, this is very, very modest. So now you cash out. Now we're talking about $3,600 from your $1,000 investment. Okay, hold on. 3 years. Look at the power of compounding in Bitcoin. This is why you need to get as much as you can, as fast as you can. $1,000. Now you have 5.19 Bitcoin. 3 years from now? Hold on. Is this for real? Are they paying attention, coach? $1,000 and now you got $50,000 in 3 years?
I hope they're paying attention. And that's if Bitcoin doesn't move.
That's if it don't move. So hold on. So you mean to tell me if they're paying attention, 90 something, 9,000 something dollars, and I say by next year, not just the financial minister, financial expert, just go on YouTube. It's all over there. Do your due diligence. Everyone's saying Bitcoin is good. Anybody that has some kind of financial knowledge or knowledge of the markets and so forth, the stock to flow ratio, so many different things. People know that Bitcoin is on track. Minimum it's going to be 100 grand in 2021. And I'm telling you, if Bitcoin don't move 3 years from now, 36 months from now, your $1,000 investment is now $50,000 worth of Bitcoin. If you cash out, what if it just doubled? What if it just doubled like it's about to do probably in the next 30 to 60 days? Did you hear me?
Double. Yep.
What if? Okay, well, let me be conservative. In about 60 days, right? Give me 90 days tops. I think that's too long. Bitcoin is going to be about 15 grand.
I'm so excited. I can hardly wait.
Mark my words. I said it. The financial minister said it. Look, I can't even. What month are we in? May,
Hey,
right?
yes,
Magnificent May, right? Magnificent May, May the 14th, 2 days after the halving. The financial minister said Bitcoin in the next 60 to 90 days is going to be 15 grand. What I'm telling you is you need to get as much as you can, as fast as you can. We're going to show you how to do that for free. And this is just 3 months. 3 years. So if
yes.
it 10x, like I'm telling you it's going to do next year, right? Because I'm not going to tell you what these experts are saying it's going to be in 2023.
Right.
That's a different conversation. Coach, they saying in 2023, 400, 500 grand, $1 million. These are what billionaires are saying.
Right. Experts in that space. That's what they're looking. That's
Okay.
what they're seeing. Yep.
But if this 10x next year, now we're talking about $500,000. from $1,000 investment. I'm scared to show you your 5. Let me show you your 5 just for, make sure you got your seatbelts on. Kev, I hope you're seeing this, bro. $1,000. I'm not even going to show you 100,000. $1,000 in 5 years. You have 72 out of the 21 million Bitcoin ever to be in existence. You only have 72. You cash out, now you got almost $1 million, $701,000. I'm not even going to tell you if it 10x. What if it just doubles? Coach, if it just doubles, we're talking about 1.5 million from $1,000 investment. Is that for real?
That's the power of compounding. And these are conservative estimates on an average earning 10% a month on average. On average.
So now I know people are scratching their heads. Ladies are pulling out their weaves, scratching their wigs about to come off. Like, what in the world? How is all this happening? Now we're about to show you how it's happened. Okay, why we're so excited. Absolutely. Why we need everyone to participate. Look, let me go ahead and let out the disclaimers now. Okay. The first thing is this is absolutely free. We've said it before. It's no bait and switch. Look, a lot of those things that got the bait and switch, you guys are saying, okay, Marvin, you got that nice talk. Look, it's free now. It's going to be free when we finish in the next 20, 30 minutes. Okay? All right? It's going to be free while you're still trying to figure out why it's free. It's still going to be free. All right? So sit back and relax. The next thing I need to tell you, this is not network marketing, okay? Don't get it twisted. Network marketing is great. That's just not what this is about. So if you're looking for network marketing or MLM, I'm telling you, you're going to be disappointed because this is not what that is about. All right? Now, but there always is a but, right? I knew it. I know y'all say I knew it was a catch. Yes, there is. Right? You must have an open mind ready to receive. Because a closed mind never gets fed. Never. And let me tell you what happens. Let me tell y'all the truth. Can I keep 100?
Keep it 100.
Thank you, Coach. I'm gonna keep 100. Most people block their own blessings.
That's so true.
That's the truth of the matter. Most people block their own blessings, right? Because most of y'all, right? And I hope this is not no one on this live. If it is, just don't admit it's you, right? But most of you all pray for something, pray, hope, and actually get something. You see the sign. You're on the live. You were scrolling and you're still on this live. And then we're telling you, we're giving you something for free. We're showing you that this is no longer on trial. I mean, the proof is in the pudding. The numbers don't lie, right? And you still block your blessings. So don't be those people. All right, enough preaching. Now it's 11:27. I'm going to go ahead and introduce myself. We're going to get the proper party started. Right? So all I need you guys to do is help us, right? Whether you are a current investor, whether you're thinking about investing, I don't care if you're just being nosy on this live. Welcome. God bless you. Salute to you. You're in the right place at the right time. But all I need you to do, right, is pass this blessing on. Because a blessing is not a blessing unless you pass it on. So what I need you to do is just tag 3 people. That's the only catch. You have to tag 3 people. 3 people you love, 3 people you care about, 1 person that needs that financial blessing or breakthrough. Let's get this profit party started. All right. Excelente. So, my name is Marvin Tackey. I'm better known in the industry as a financial minister. I am the creator and founder of Create Wealth Network. Really excited to be here with my partner in success. I love to call her the binary queen from the West, Coach CJ Johnson. I We've actually formed a strategic partnership with this platform. The reason why we're so excited, why we've been on this financial crusade, day 27 of this 30-day uh, freedom party, right? Whatever you want to call it. We've helped so many people. You just heard us say we've impacted directly 630 families, put them in a position to become financially free, and we will free 2,020 families in the year before the year of 2020. Okay, so we're really excited, and this platform that we've formed this strategic partnership up with is called Mirror Trading International. Now, as I go through the information, you may hear me reference it as MTI for short. So please stick with me. All right. MTI is a licensed and registered company. It's based in the Republic of South Africa. Okay. We're so excited, right? Why am I so excited? Why is Coach so excited? Because right now we've actually, as of April 30th, we're celebrating 1 year in investments and prosperity. Okay. The companies, the registered office, the headquarters is also in the Western Cape of South Africa. This gentleman right here, Johann Steinberg, he's the CEO and founder of MTI. I truly love how this gentleman set this platform up because the first principle and the main principle of the company is anyone and everyone can win with MTI. The foundation and backbone behind the company is 100% transparency. Okay. The legal advisors, Ulrich and Rokes, they're there to make sure MTI is legal and compliant to protect the investors all across the globe. Why are you here this morning or this evening or afternoon? I don't know what part of the world you're in, but you're super blessed. Why? Because here you're going to learn how to grow, accumulate, and earn Bitcoin daily. Okay, that's powerful. Let me talk to you, ladies and gentlemen, that are still scratching your heads. Well, what in the world is this Bitcoin thing that everyone's talking about? Is it a real coin? Okay, hold on. Woo, thank you. All right, so it is it's digital. Okay, so it's not a coin that you hold in your hand. It doesn't have this B on it. Just know it's the people's money. When I say the people's money, no third party, no government, central bank, nobody can control it but you. All right, and it's the number one producing asset in history. So know that outperforming real estate and gold, you want to get as much as you can as fast as you can. That's why you're here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's say you may be blessed to have some Bitcoin. Okay. Well, here's the truth of the matter. You're blessed, but you got it lazy in the wallet. How do I know that? Because it's not growing. If it was parked at MTI, that's where we just showed you how you can take portions of a Bitcoin and have several Bitcoin because you're earning Bitcoin daily. Okay. We have a simple system. It's called Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out, meaning that every deposit is in Bitcoin, every profit is paid is in Bitcoin. Okay. Why is that huge? Because again, Bitcoin is an asset. Okay. But we can also, what I like to say, double dip. Well, what do you mean, Marvin? Well, when the price of Bitcoin rises, so does the value of your trading account. So, again, for the recording, nothing's guaranteed in the market, but I can say confidently for 11 months straight, always got to knock on that good wood, right? No losses. Every single day we've been experiencing profit, and we've been receiving 10 to 12% a month growth in our investment. And again, this ain't rocket science because you're barely getting 0.02 a year. So this is simple. How to become your own bank. But when Bitcoin rises like she's doing now, we can double dip. Okay? How is this done? It's done through trading FOREX. All right. Some of you ladies and gentlemen know that, I'm a Forex trader. I've seen tons of our investors, the coach, Brandon, Monique. So many of us are Forex traders. and some are not. This ain't about Forex. It ain't even about Bitcoin for real. It's about passive income, having a system where your money is going to work for you harder than you do, regardless if you work or not. That's what you need to program in your head. And now, Monday through Friday, you can participate in this $6.7 trillion a day industry, right? And don't have to sacrifice a whole bunch of money, blood, sweat, and tears because it's free. And this AI software that's going to take 6, 7, even 800 trades a day on your behalf, right? With Bitcoin as a base currency. But this is what I love. This is what set those platforms, away from everything else. I talked about it earlier, Coach. Those 99 programs are great, but this is greater. This is greatness because it's free. The profits that's generated from MTI comes solely and only from the trading activities. Hold on. What does that mean? No recruiting. We don't have to recruit anyone. We don't want to recruit anyone, right? So if you're tired of recruiting, don't get me wrong. If you like that, then do something else. If you don't want to recruit and you just want to get profits, then that's what we're talking about. Because here we look, Johann Steinberg, he said everyone can win, but the truth of the matter, he can shut the doors today, and we're still receiving 10 to 12% a month because that's coming from the trading activities. What does that mean? Your full Bitcoin investment goes into your trading account. There's not some of your money that's going here to pay for someone's title, a chairman or an emperor or whatever. Look, don't get me wrong. We don't need no titles here. There ain't no car program, none of that. Right? This is strictly profits. Profits and passive income. Again, don't get it twisted. Don't overcomplicate it. Having a system where your money works harder than you do, regardless if you work or not. Finally, you can participate. You can earn through the daily trading activities. And again, we can level the playing field. Coach loves when I say that. Level the playing field. I love when she says this is like God, right? No respect of persons. Anyone and everyone can participate. You're welcome because there's no trading experience required. There's nothing that can stop you. We're on the way up. Right? No admin fees, no membership fees, no subscription fees, none of that nonsense that stops people from leveling up and having success. Okay, no hidden costs, no deductions, none of that nonsense. Okay, strictly profits. But before I say this, I gotta be transparent. Look, yes, 11 months straight, we haven't had a loss, but historical results are not guaranteed of future results. Today is what? Thriving Thursdays, transition Thursdays, what if thankful Thursdays. We could have a loss today. Not likely.
Right.
Not likely, but nothing's guaranteed. So I got to be transparent. Now look at this. Look at the transparency and look at why we say everyone can win. Okay, let me keep it 100. If you have a lot of money, absolutely, this is for you. You're probably a seasoned investor. You'll get 40% of the profits. But guess what? If you don't have a lot of money, this is also for you because you too will receive 40% of the profits. If you just thought about investing when I showed that calculator a couple minutes ago and you saw the power of $1,000, this is also for you. Okay? Everyone gets 40% of the profits according to their account. There's no hold bars. Okay? Binary, they put aside an extra 20%. You see how I'm excited? What is today? Is it Saturday morning yet?
Not yet.
Right? I'm just dying for Saturday mornings because I want to see how much my Bitcoin has grown. And this is like back when I used to work a job, in my previous life, right? That seemed like another lifetime. But when I used to work a job, I was sick and broke, busting, disgusted because I already knew what that chump change was going to be. Here, I don't know what it's going to be. It just keeps growing and growing and growing. That's powerful. They'll put an extra 5% along with that pool you can capitalize on. The trading software, the people that manage the trading software, is not just some bot that just running around doing this thing that'll eventually blow your account because it's just a machine. We actually have professional traders that manage this software and constantly put tweaks to it. That's probably why we're so blessed to say that 11 months straight, no losses.
That's right.
Okay? Yeah. Coach, I ain't mad. They could get 40, 45% for all I care. They keep giving us profits like this. MTI, they'll get the smallest portion and pay for their back office, their staff, and their admin fees. And even we can tap into that 10% because they even pay our referral plan. All right. But this is what's important. All income is subject to positive daily trading results. What does that mean? Yes, 11 months straight, we've been experiencing profits. We all share the profit. We love it. If there's a loss today, we all got to share that loss. There ain't nothing to be paid. No profits to be made, nothing to be paid. Your money is constantly working for you, and you constantly know what it's doing. You will get daily trading statements every single day. I believe yesterday was 0.42. I know that because we got this statement. Okay, you can scroll through 6, 7, 8 pages of trades. Me, I just want to see how much my Bitcoin has grown daily. Why? Because it's done for you automatically. What does that mean? You have nothing to do but watch your Bitcoin grow. And that's it. That's all I do every day. We sit back and watch it grow and help people have their Bitcoin grow. Okay, this is done automatically for you. I said it earlier and I'll say it again. Albert Einstein, he said it best: compound profits, the eighth wonder of the world. He also said those that understand it earn it. Those that don't will pay it. Okay? Don't overcomplicate this. All right? This is simple. How to become your own bank. Why are you your own bank? Because you have full control over your investment. There's no contracts, no lockdowns. You can withdraw and pull, withdraw and partial. You make $800 in the market, $8, $80. I don't care what your Bitcoin grows today. Withdraw it all, withdraw and pull. Take out partial, take out all, take out everything and put it back in tomorrow for Financial Freedom Fridays. Doesn't matter. There's no fees. Okay, withdraw whenever you want, deposit as much as you like. And requests are paid within 48 hours. Right? I did a withdrawal this past Sunday. It took me about 24 hours. Last Sunday was 50 minutes. Geez, look, this is simple. Don't overcomplicate this. Again, providing you with passive income. Passive income, having a system where your money's working harder than you do. And it's free. Sustainable income. This ain't no recruiting. It's sustainable because this thing is proven trades that's generating profits. Okay? And Bitcoin is a blessing in trade. How do you work? How do you get started? Very simple. This is not complicated. Register with MTI. How do I register, Marv? Well, get back with the person that sent you this link, this live. At least thank them first, because it's free, right? Create a username, email, password, bam, you're registered. Fund with however much money you like in Bitcoin. Okay, but it has to be the minimum of $100. All right. So let me just look. If that's you, don't be ashamed. Take your $100 and let it start working for you. That's what you need to do. Do something different to get something different. So if that's you, don't wait. Okay, and fund your account immediately because it will be deleted in 7 days. Please, ladies and gentlemen, don't overcomplicate this. If you understand Bitcoin, absolutely great. If you don't, absolutely great. Just have it start working for you. Okay, and be in a position where you too can become financially free. All right. For ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for those of you that paid attention to when I was showing those profits. That slide where all the money and the profit is broken down. For some of you that were paying attention, you saw that, hold on, okay, the investors get 40%. What about this other 35% he's talking about? Why you didn't touch on that? Right? Because I'm a firm believer, never leave money on the table. Right? So this is exactly why I call Coach a binary queen from the West. Right? You know, she's figured out how to truly maximize and expedite uh enormously. I don't even know if that's a word, right? But maybe I said it wrong. I'm just too excited. But she's figured out how to basically expedite that growth on her Bitcoin, right? So we're going to take the next few minutes and I'm going to pass the torch over to her and she's going to show you how to expedite your Bitcoin growth extremely. All right. So without any further ado, please take it away, Coach CJ.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Thank you so much, Marvin, for this opportunity to give the folks a sneak peek into how they can grow their Bitcoin exponentially above and beyond what you have already shared. And let me just tell you, when I started with this company, what you just shared is the reason I opened my own investment account. It was as simple as opening a savings account. It was a no-brainer for me. In my traditional bank, I wasn't earning any returns. I mean, like I had like 9 cents after like 3 years on my savings account. It's something ridiculous. It's some ridiculous, minuscule return. Unbelievable. But I recognize the value of having my investment compound every single day, Monday through Friday. And I was in. There was no way. It was so worth it. Oh my gosh, I tell you, there was no way that I was going to allow this opportunity to grow my investment pass me by. I have, of course, I have adult children, but I have grandbabies, and there's lifestyles that I want not only for myself and my kids, but my grandchildren, and for generations to come. So building a family legacy was so significant and so important to me. So it's my privilege, you guys, to give you a little sneak peek into a completely optional aspect of our company. Now, nothing impacts what Marvin just shared with you. If you decide to do this add on referral program, still, your investment compounds every single day. It does not impact it. The only way that you are impacted by this referral program is that your Bitcoin will double and triple and quadruple quicker than it would by it just being compounding. So I think I probably have your interest. I've piqued your interest at this point. So MTI offers 3 types of bonuses within the referral program. The very first bonus is a 10% direct referral bonus. Now, mind you, again, you don't have to refer anyone if you do not want to. But like Marvin mentioned earlier, he and I both decided that we were not leaving any Bitcoin on the table. So when we heard about this referral program, we made sure that we qualified to unlock all. Well, at that point, it was only 2 bonuses. The third one, the 5%, was just added within the last couple of months. So let's look at the very first bonus. The very first bonus is a 10% direct referral bonus. So that just means you help a couple of other folks, 10 folks, 100 folks, maybe just a handful of folks. It doesn't matter. You help them register their free account. They use your registration link, and MTI pays you a 10% bonus on whatever your new investor deposits in their account. Now, you might ask, okay, so does that 10% come out of my new investor's investment? Absolutely not. This bonus is a standalone direct referral bonus that is paid to you, the individual who helps these other individuals. It's paid to you directly, and it does not come out of the new investor's deposit. That is powerful. The second bonus is a 20% weekly profit sharing bonus. Now, this bonus is, I mean, it is so powerful and dynamic because it gives you an opportunity to create a weekly revenue stream. Oftentimes, Marvin and I refer to it as a weekly stimulus package, your own stimulus. Can you imagine what was it that the government gave out, like $1,200? You could get $1,200. You have the potential of earning $1,200 worth of Bitcoin every single week, as just as a just as a result of you referring some other folks, and folks on your team referring some other folks. So again, it's completely optional. You don't have to do it, but an extra $1,200 a week into your household, you might want to consider not keeping this your best kept secret, and you may want to consider sharing it with some others. And then lastly, there's a 5% leadership bonus. Now, this bonus wasn't even available to us when we started last November. And I mean, I forgot to celebrate. Yesterday was my I hit my 6 month mark with MTI. So this wasn't even on the table for us 6 months ago. But a couple of months ago, the CEO unlocked an additional 5% leadership bonus for those of us who want to take advantage of that. So let me just share a little more information with you regarding these bonuses. These bonuses are paid to us as a result of the daily profits that are produced from the trading in the background, making this bonus program or this direct referral program financially sustainable. Next slide. And so we don't, because of the trading, that is how the bonuses and the income is paid. Awesome stuff, you guys. So let's look at this. Let's look at this 10%. I want to give you a little bit of a caveat, something to remember regarding this 10% direct referral bonus. Say, for instance, you begin your account with, let's just say $500 worth of Bitcoin or $300 worth of Bitcoin. So you begin your account, and then the very next day you refer your cousin who says, okay, well, I'm going to fund my account with, let's just say $3,000 worth of Bitcoin. You funded your personal account with 300. They decide to fund with 3,000. People can fund with however much they want. MTI is going to pay you a direct referral bonus of $300 based on what your new investor, which happens to be your cousin, invested. You've already doubled your investment in less than 24 hours just as a result of this 10% direct referral bonus, guys. So this could be very, very lucrative and very powerful, and something that you want to always qualify for. So in order to remain in a position to qualify for that 10% direct referral bonus, it is suggested that you always maintain at least $50 worth of Bitcoin in your account. Emergencies happen, things happen. You might need to liquidate your account, but I would recommend that you keep at least $50 worth of Bitcoin in your account so you always qualify for that direct referral bonus, because then it'll be easier for you to rebuild your account, right? All righty, next slide. Let's see. So earlier in our conversation with you today, Marvin shared that 40% of the daily profits are paid out to every investor, and that's where the compounding comes from. We take part in 40% of those daily profits. Well, 20% of those daily profits every single day are placed in a bucket, and they're reserved to pay out every Saturday to investors who participate in this referral program. Listen, this 20% weekly profit sharing bonus is absolutely dynamic. It's paid out every single week, but you must qualify to gain access to it. So this is how you unlock it. You unlock that 20% weekly profit sharing bonus by funding your personal account with no less than $200 worth of Bitcoin. And the folks that you refer or the people that you assist with setting up their free account, they fund their account with no less than $100 worth of Bitcoin each. So you would need two individuals, at least two. You could be far more than two, but you would need at least two. And we would place one on your right side and one on your left side. And then the rest is history. So binary bonuses are paid how often? Every single week. I know in your mind you still have that like $1,200 stimulus every week. What? That's what this gives you an opportunity to do. So binary bonuses are paid every week according to the Bitcoin value in your weaker leg, creating your weekly passive income. Woo! Next slide. There is a cap. There is only so much that you can earn from this 20% profit sharing bonus. However, it's very generous. I mentioned $1,200 a month. If this slide were saying that the cap was only $750, I'm sorry. I mentioned earlier $1,200 per week. You guys caught me on that, right? $1,200 per week. It would be generous if MTI were offering a cap of $750 per week in Bitcoin for that 20% profit sharing bonus, guys. But let me tell you, it is better than that. In MTI offers us an opportunity to earn $75,000 worth of Bitcoin every single week as a part of this 20% weekly profit sharing bonus. Unheard of. You talking about life changing. You talking about creating a legacy. You talking about leaving an inheritance for your children's children. MTI gives us that opportunity through that optional referral program. Listen, this is one of my favorite components of the referral program. We have a 7-day pending period. All referral and binary bonuses are subject to a 7-day waiting period. What does this do? This safeguards you from ever experiencing a chargeback. I come from the life insurance industry, and I used to get paid advanced commissions and then pray for 9 months that my new policy owner wouldn't cancel their policy, because I didn't want to have to pay back the commissions that I had earned if they did. With the 7-day pending period, you never suffer a chargeback. Once you clear those 7 days, that 10% bonus that you have earned remains yours. Awesome, awesome, awesome stuff. So lastly, there is the 5% leadership bonus. And this is a powerful aspect, even though now you're rolling in big money. We're talking 20% profit sharing, 10% direct referral, 40% daily compounding, all of these huge percentages. Well, listen, you guys, this 5% leadership bonus is just as dynamic, because all of it, if you put it in your trading pool, it all compounds every single day. This leadership bonus is unlocked when you duplicate yourself. So for the 20% weekly profit sharing bonus, you become what we call binary qualified. That's when you open your account with no less than $200 worth of Bitcoin. To unlock this 5% binary leadership bonus, that means that you duplicate yourself, and those folks that you assist in opening their accounts, they follow your lead and they open their accounts with no less than $200 worth of Bitcoin. And here's the visual for that. So those 2 people or 10 people or 100 folks fund their accounts each with no less than $200 worth of Bitcoin. And then you are leadership binary qualified. Awesome, awesome stuff. MTI is a real company. Marvin has said it. I've shared that with you. I'll reiterate it again right now. MTI is a real company. That AI software is in the background trading, taking 500, 600, 700 trades, sometimes 800 trades a day, and producing profit for each of the investors. If there's no income from that trading system, then no income or bonuses can be paid. But like Marvin mentioned, and I'm sharing with you and reminding you right now, is that we have experienced income every single day. We've experienced profits every single day. The company has for the last 11 months, coming up on 12 months. Absolutely incredible stuff. So we're talking about life-changing passive residual income opportunity with this referral program. And it is just that again, guys. It's not a multi-level marketing company. There aren't percentages and ranking up and auto ships and fees and, oh, I got to go out and recruit. It's none of that. This AI software that does all the work in generating these profits. All you have to do is love yourself enough and love others enough to share the information. I want everyone in my family blessed. I want everyone in my community blessed. People who I care about, who are dear to me, I made sure that they know about this company. All of my children have investment in MTI. They're creating their legacies for their children's children. I'm creating an inheritance and legacies for my children's children. We're talking about true generational wealth being created through this referral program. If we're willing to open our mouths and just to help some other folks out. So, what I want you to do is just imagine in your mind being financially free. These folks in this picture are two individuals who are carefree. Their passive income exceeds their expenses. And that is
Yeah.
the lifestyle that MTI provides us through this referral program, where that weekly income, that weekly Bitcoin that we get paid every Saturday. Oh my gosh.
Praise
So,
God.
Marvin, you started this morning talking about I've been trying to calculate and anticipate what my payout is going to be. Man, every week it
Man.
gives you something to look forward to. I'll
Man.
this week I'll be getting paid on 10 Bitcoin more than what I did last week. Do you hear me?
What?
Woo! I'm telling you. And that's in my weaker leg, man. So anyway, I
Ah,
digress.
ah, ah.
So get with the person who referred you
Look,
to this.
let me picture myself. Hold on one second. Give me a second. Let me make sure this is real.
Yes. Yes, you are not dreaming. I looked at it. I'm like, what the heck is going on? I need to go back there and see what happened in that week leg because
I
it's
think I
like,
look about 40 years. Look,
look, okay. So
okay.
I am so ecstatic, and we want you to be just as ecstatic and excited as we are. We get paid every single week through this referral program. Marvin and I are committed to sharing with others. We have 630 investors whose lives we have impacted, and they are passionate about sharing with others. That's why you're here. That's what got you here today, because we want to bring financial freedom to your household, to your family. So get with the person who invited you to this watch party. Take the first step of faith and download your transaction wallet. You may not even know what one is. I didn't. I had no idea. I got on YouTube and Googled it and let some folks walk me through the process. Download your transaction wallet. We use the Exodus wallet, second book of the Bible, Exodus. You know, when the children of Israel were being delivered out of Egyptian captivity. Oh, but that's a whole nother message. But anyway, Exodus, we coming out. We coming out. Download your Exodus wallet, get with the person who referred you, and let them know that you're ready to start your journey to financial freedom. Thank you so much, Marvin, for the opportunity to just let folks know about this referral program. And as Coach CJ, as always, I'll see you at the top because the bottom, you guys, just way too crowded. Thank you, Marvin.
Look, Coach, I got chills, and it's crazy because we know what this is about. And that's I'm a firm believer. I always say, hustle for your last name, not for your first. And even at this age, I mean, most of us, I would like to speak for us men. I would hope that we don't need anything in life. I told someone the other day, I'm doing this not even just for my children. I'm doing it for their unborn children's children.
Yes.
Like my time is limited. We look, we all were born and we all going to die.
Yeah.
So right now I'm just focusing on that dash. That dash in the middle.
Yes.
I'm focusing on that dash, and all I keep thinking
Ooh.
about is I
Mm,
don't even
mm,
know what their face is going to look like. I just need to know that my face is going to be on a picture, on a
yeah.
mantle, whether it's the living room or the basement. My face got
Yes.
to be on a big picture, and they're going to say because of great granddaddy Marv.
Yes.
That's
Bringing
it.
tears to my eyes, and that's what it's
So
about.
when you said that, it just shook me again. Like that's what this is
Yeah.
about: legacy wealth, leaving a legacy. Even the word tells us, a good man leaves an inheritance for his children's children. That's
That's
what this
it.
is about. That's what compounding interest in Bitcoin is about. So salute. I hope this was a blessing. No, let me rephrase that. I know this was a blessing. I just
Yes.
hope you received your breakthrough. All
Yes.
right. So this call was a powerful call. Get back with the person that shared this info. Hey, and you know what? If you don't want to level up in life, if you don't want more in life, that's okay, right? Because everybody can't go. But still, you need to share this with somebody else because somebody is going to receive their blessing and their breakthrough and be in profit tomorrow and every single day. Salute. This is the Financial Minister signing off. That's Coach CJ. And we will see you bright and early tomorrow, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for day 28 of the Extreme Wealth Makeover.
Yes.
Good evening, good morning, be blessed.
Blessed, everyone. Bye bye.